Ninh Binh, a northern province located only an hour and a half away from Vietnam's capital city, Hanoi. Ninh Binh is the region of Vietnam that boasts rolling mountains, caves, UNESCO sites, and much, much more. On today's episode, I'll take you around to 3 famous tourist sites in Ninh Binh and show you why this place is just so magical. Good morning, YouTube! What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another vlog. So right now, I am in Ninh Binh, and I'm actually staying in a little area outside of Ninh Binh, and it's about 15 minutes outside of Ninh Binh, and it's called Tam. And this is the area that you're gonna want to stay when you come to Ninh Binh, because there are tons of hostels around, there's tons of restaurants, and there's also this section of Tam where you drive up, and it is this mind-blowing view. It's just rice paddies, and all you can see in the backdrop is rolling mountains. There's a pagoda out there as well, and I also think there is a bird sanctuary out there as well. But right now, guys, we are gonna be hanging out here right now. I'm just waiting for it to stop raining. I did order some breakfast, some french fries, you know, breakfast of champions right there. And I'm gonna show you guys what things that you need to do when you come to Ninh Binh for yourself, and we're gonna enjoy the day together. It's only me, I'm solo traveling right now, so hopefully there's no problems today. Ồ, hết mưa rồi hả? Chút xíu. Dạ, cho con xin một cái áo mưa lỡ nó cũng mưa nữa.
Cho ngang ra này.
Ok.
Em ấn sâu vào một cái.
Dạ, là nó mở.
Một cái là em mở cốp.
Ok. Said it would start raining at 12. It's like 12:01. Guys, we have made it to Beach Dong Pagoda. So Beach Dong Pagoda is this beautiful, beautiful pagoda nestled within a little area surrounded by limestone mountains, beautiful greenery. And what's cool about this pagoda was it is a Buddhist pagoda. It was built by 2 monks way back in the day, and it is a series of stairs, so it's layered, if that makes any sense. So you walk some stairs to one section of pagoda, you take some more stairs to another section, and you take some more stairs to another section of the pagoda. So it's split up into several different layers here. What's the sign say? Welcome! Check out the sign. Pagoda, please don wear short clothes. Seriously, Don. Don't wear short clothes, Don. The disrespect. Just walked up to the second pagoda here, and this one is so cool. We're not quite in the cave yet. I'm actually a little bit spooked to check out the cave by myself because I'm a little pussy. So the pagoda I'm looking at right now is backed up right against a limestone mountain. There's a huge engraving inside of the mountain with some Chinese symbols on it. Super cool. And looks like there's like a mini little cave. If you were to climb up the roof, you could probably sneak into it, but wow, so cool. Am I being a little bitch? It's quite dark in here. Yeah, I'm the only one, guys. A little creepy, Looks like you can have some scary monster that lives right there. Holy shit, fuck no. See, even this is creepy in itself. Even this walkway is creepy. Just like the bright white light leading to your doom. And this, what is this? This straight up looks like a, what is it called? Why can't I remember it? A tombstone. Straight up looks like a tombstone right there. Alright guys, so we just got to the top of the pagoda, and my god, this valley just looking out towards the other mountains. So let's check it out. Let's show you guys what it looks like. Let's go. Isn't it just so beautiful? So there you guys have it. Very stunning, as you can see, so lush, so much greenery. But right now we're gonna head back out the pagoda, and we're gonna head to the next spot for today, and we're gonna be heading over to Moa Cave. Now this spot, absolutely stunning. A spot that you guys will not want to miss. Come on, man. Hello. You want to play chicken, bro? Bring it on. Hello, Junior. Hello, my friends. Hello. So many of you. Oh, Pedro, nice to see you, man. It's been a few years. How's lockdown? It was good. He had a great lockdown. Just wandering around, you know? I was in a house. He was out in this farmland right here. So when you guys first get here, when it's busy, you don't have to park far away. There will be a lot of people yelling at you guys, telling you guys to park where their place is so they can collect the money off of you. But in reality, you could drive pretty much to the entrance and then park your bike. Don't park all the way out here. You guys can see signs, right? One here, there's another blue one right there, and it's all the way in there that we need to go. So make sure you drive all the way in and park rather than parking like a kilometer away, just because they're trying to trick you, telling you, oh, park out here, you have to park out here. Don't do that. You can drive all the way in. Hello, cho em một vé em ơi. Cảm ơn nhiều. So guys, we just made it to Moa Cave. I'm just walking in the entrance right now. So when you guys first arrive here, make sure that you drive all the way to the front gate to park your bike, because along that strip leading up to the entrance about a kilometer, there are so many different parking spaces, and when it's busy and the borders are open, there's tourists, there will be people standing out there flagging you in, telling you that you need to park there. Ignore them, drive all the way up to the front gate where you can park your bike so you don't have to walk that extra kilometer into the park here. The last time I was here, I did go up to the Pagoda and I did go up to the dragon up at the top, but I didn't explore the cave. So I'm gonna have to find that for you guys, show you guys around. But look, stunning, hey? Mountains, you can see the pagoda right up in the mountain there, a dragon, and over here there is like a boardwalk that you can walk along with these beautiful lilies during the summertime, and just an amazing backdrop. So in typical Vietnamese fashion, some of the things here are really tacky the way that they designed the park, but some of it is really cool. Just like this little treehouse behind me, that's pretty cool. But then they have some weird things like flowers hanging out, fake flowers and stuff. Oh, see here, this is the tacky stuff I was telling you guys right here. There's like pictures of random people on it. Super weird, super random. And that's something that you'll notice a lot in Vietnam, is that some of these parks like this, instead of leaving it natural, they put up odd things like this right here. So let me tell you guys a little bit about Moa Cave. So Moa Cave is actually one of the top attractions here in Ninh Binh, and the journey starts with a relaxing and easy walk up 500 staircases. All right, guys. I'm just walking up the last few stairs to get to the dragon and to get the highest point and the panoramic view right up here. Stairs are real slippery, especially that it's raining. Shit, guys, I came here to see some views, not to exercise. There's only a handful of other people here with me right now. Whew! Last final stairs, guys. Let's go. Woo! Hear the echo? One more time. Woo! So absolutely stunning up here. We're at the dragon. The view from up here is just insane, because we're at the top, so we can see the pagoda right down there. We can see the other limestone rocks. Down, and I'm noticing they got like a mini cooler fridge right here, and I think they are zip lining this thing all the way down there. They're gonna start it right here, and on a zip line they're zipping it down this mountain. The things you see in Vietnam. Alright guys, we have made it to the Ngo Dong River. This is the Trang An UNESCO Heritage Site. So it being a part of the UNESCO Heritage Site, we know we are in for a treat, and we know that these views will be very stunning. Generally, these UNESCO sites, they do a lot of upkeep to make sure there's not a whole lot of garbage and other things that will ruin the attraction. So let's head inside. It's very beautifully decorated right now. I don't know if you guys can see behind me. Tons of different lanterns. So let's head inside and let's hop on one of these river boats. I'm confused. There's this guy just yelling across the highway to me, but apparently inside there's actually an underground tunnel. So once you're at the ticket booth, there's actually an underground tunnel that you will go through to get to the other side, right over there, to take the boat. So let's head down that tunnel here. So found it. It's really cool down here. How did I get out? I think this is the way out. I'm not really sure. I don't remember this being here last time, so it must be new because I came here in 2019 and they definitely did not have this underground tunnel pass. And we are off, guys. So I'm on the boat with 2 random people right now, but it's super, super beautiful. And actually, when the sun is out, the river looks so green and so blue. But since it's cloudy today, the water kind of looks a little bit darker, but that's okay. Let's enjoy this relaxing boat ride right now. Once you guys get on the tour, make sure you grab one of these pamphlets right here. There are actually 3 different boat options that you guys can take. We opted for number 1 just because I let the 2 people with me choose which route they wanted to go on because I am alone. So the first one is called the Trin Temple, Trang Temple, and Kong Palace. That's all the places that we're going to be visiting today. The second route, you're gonna stop at a few spots as well, passing through Dalin Mountain, Ten Khao San Temple, and then the last route as well, Trin Temple, Dot Cave, Sua Tin Temple. So you guys can see there's a bunch of different journeys that you could take. So you can do this 3 different times and see 3 different routes, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna be heading through one of the very first caves on this river tour. There are actually 9 different caves that we're running through. So ahead of me right now, there's this small little alcove, like super tiny. So if you are like 6 feet and above, luckily I am a short king. But if you are 6 feet and above, the roofs are really low. So you're gonna have to do a little bit of tucking, ducking, whatever you guys wanna call it. So let's head into this cave right now. So freaking cool, guys, so cool. Alright guys, that was pretty much it for the Ninh Binh tour. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and whenever you guys get the opportunity to come to Ninh Binh, you have to stop at these points right here. So if you guys enjoyed that video, please do me a favor because I skipped lunch and dinner to film this video and fit all these activities in. So I'm super hungry right now. So do me a big solid, like the video, subscribe, comment, and turn on that notification bell if you guys do not want to miss another awesome video. And until next time guys, I appreciate whoever's watching this until the end. I'll catch you guys in the next video.